Horses out, you have Classical Beat, pass to begin, moving up on the outside now is Perlin, down on the inside, Renewable Energy, Pangani Boy and Red Wings, Renewable Energy, this time by about 2 lengths, Pangani Boy in second, alongside third Perlin, then followed by Classical Beat, then Red Wings is the early trailer. Renewable Energy by about 2 lengths this time. Perlin now moving up to take second. Pangani Boys down on the inside third. Then followed by Classical Beat. Then too far behind these Red Wings. They swing into the back. And that's still Renewable Energy by a length and a half. Perlin still in second. Pangani Boy, Classical Beat moving up on the outside third. And a long way back to Red Wings. And that's still Renewable Energy by a 3/4 of a length. Classical Beat moving up on the outside second. Perlin drives back in third and followed over by Pangani Boy. Renewable Energy by about a neck and on the outside Classical Beat. Racing in third is Perlin as they come down to the last 150. Renewable Energy by about 2.5 lengths. Classical Beat in second. Perlin is on the outside third. Last 100 meters. And that's the Renewable Energy by about 7 lengths. Classical Beat. Perlin 1 second on the outside. And finally, Renewable Energy second. Perlin. Then followed by number 1, Classical Beat, Pangani Boy, and Red Wing.
2513 unofficial.